no see as it be. Come finish am. They just dey comot smoke anyhow, you know understand? Just comot smoke anyhow. You remember those days where we dey watch Zebudaya? Zebudaya go carry food put for table. Oburu go bring food for Zebudaya. Kradush go bring water. Before you go know it, Nati go dey knock for door. I don't want make Nati knock for my door. Honestly, I don't want make Nati knock for my door. So I just go eat my food, relax, jeje. Those days. Now the time where Biafra land was good now. Don't be now when Nigeria don't spoil Biafra land finish. Biafra land. Those days. Those days. Now they just do anyhow for Biafra land. People just die anyhow for Biafra land. You know? Maybe those days. But I don't want to talk about all this killing. I want to talk about this my pounded yam now. With the in fact, when I want to show you the soup, that one go be for another time. I just leave it now because it's just the microwave. The microwave. You want me? I just peep small. Ah! You know, people they all look the food, you know. But anyway, sha. You see, it's good. You want eat, make food, take some vitamins. We go open your stomach so that you go eat food. And when somebody just somebody will talk say they marry you as a wife. You come they tell us say they don't marry you to you know that you don't belong to kitchen. You don't belong your place no be for kitchen. I wonder some ladies their place now for bed, no be for kitchen. But any man where they marry, we no marry a girl where go be for bed for kitchen. Then that one na fuck up. You understand? Na fuck up. Make some people make they paint their nails, they look beautiful, they go. Those ones when they look beautiful, when they marry, they born children, they increase, they go. You know understand? That's what it be. Next time.